Let's just first tell our viewers about what is happening as far as Shraddha Kapoor case is also concerned, because as Devesh was saying, she's also at the office where Devesh is positioned right now. Shraddha Kapoor also asked for some extra time. She reached at around 11:49 a.m. at the NCB zonal office. Her questioning is also being led by Samir Wankhede, who is questioning Shraddha as well. India Today has accessed the questions the NCB is likely to ask Shraddha Kapoor. Shraddha will be questioned about her first meeting with Rhea Chakraborty. The actor will be asked if she attended a party hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput at his Pavna Lake house in 2019 and if drugs were consumed at this very party. Shraddha will also be questioned over her drug chats with Sushant Singh Rajput's talent manager Jaya Saha. Remember, after Rhea named Shraddha Kapoor allegedly, and why I'm saying that because the lawyer of Rhea Chakraborty has denied these allegations. Now, there was a boatman at Pavna Lake House as well who has also identified the actress. Now, the India Today has also accessed the drug chats of Shraddha and Jaya Saha, wherein she is asking for CBD oil, which, ladies and gentlemen, is in many cases legal and can be bought on prescription as well. Now, going across back to Devesh, my colleague. Devesh, if you compare the questioning or the interest as far as the NCB is concerned in Shraddha Kapoor, that possibly will stand out, slightly weaker than what they have on Deepika and also on Sara Ali Khan. Shraddha basically is asking for CBD oil, which is largely legal, can be bought on prescription as well. What is the NCB hoping that they will be able to get out of the questioning of Shraddha Kapoor?
See, there are two things that are against Shraddha Kapoor as of now. One is the chat that she's had with Jaya Saha, where she's discussing regarding CBD oil. While there's a doubt that CBD oil that is being talked about, Jaya Saha has maintained that it's a legal item which can be acquired over counter as well and could be shopped from online portals. But there are doubts that certain quantity of cannabis that is used in CBD oil is not permitted in the country. It's not permitted in India. So that is under question by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Another thing are the statements of the boatman again, who said that Shraddha attended parties hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput, and here again drugs were consumed. So there are two things that the NCB has against Shraddha Kapoor, and that is why she's being questioned. She'll have to provide all the details to the agency, and based on that, further course of action would be decided by the NCB. Ankit?
All right, Devesh, stay on with me. Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh, Simone Kambata, one by one, names started coming into the larger probe as far as this drug net in Bollywood is concerned. But how is it that all these top actors find themselves right now facing the NCB? Let me go across to my colleague Chaiti, who is going to explain it to you, how these top actors have come into this net of questioning by the NCB.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.